In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Copilot not showing in OneNote. The first step is to verify that your subscription supports Copilot. This feature is exclusive to certain Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Specifically, it's available under the Microsoft 365 Copilot for business users. Additionally, if you have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription, it may also be available depending on your app version and platform. If your subscription does not include Copilot, the button simply won't appear. Understanding your subscription is crucial because it determines your access to various features. Next, make sure you're using a supported version of OneNote. Copilot is compatible with OneNote for Microsoft 365 on Windows and Mac. It also works on iPad and OneNote for the web, which is gradually rolling out. If you're running an outdated version of OneNote, you might not see the Copilot feature. To ensure you have the latest features, update your OneNote application if necessary. Using the latest version is essential because updates often include important fixes and new functionalities. Now let's update Microsoft 365. Open any Microsoft Office app, like Word, to start this process. Navigate to File, then Account. From there, select Update Options and click on Update Now. This will check for any available updates for your Microsoft 365 suite. After the update completes, restart OneNote to see if the Copilot button appears. Regular updates are not just about new features, they also enhance security and stability, which are vital for a smooth experience. After updating, confirm you're signed in with the correct account. Open OneNote and select your profile picture, usually located in the top corner. Make sure that you're logged in with the Microsoft account that owns your Copilot subscription. If you find you're signed in with the wrong account, sign out and then sign back in using the correct account. This step is important because using the incorrect account can prevent access to features you're entitled to, including Copilot. Next, you need to enable connected experiences. This feature is essential for Copilot to function correctly. Open the File menu, then navigate to Account and select Account Privacy. Once there, click on Manage Settings and ensure connected experiences are turned on. After making these changes, restart OneNote. This is a critical setting because it allows OneNote to connect to Microsoft's online services, which is necessary for some features to work. Now let's turn on the Copilot on-page icon if it's missing but Copilot is functioning. Open the File menu again, then go to Options and select Copilot. Here, enable the option that says Show Copilot icon on OneNote pages. If prompted, restart OneNote for the changes to take effect. This step is straightforward yet vital, as it allows you to quickly access Copilot features directly from your pages, enhancing your workflow. Finally, if the button still isn't visible, it's time to restart OneNote completely. Close the application and then reopen it. If after this the button is still missing, consider restarting your computer and trying again. A simple restart often resolves many issues, refreshing the system and ensuring everything loads correctly. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot the issue effectively.